Is it recording?
Yes, it is. Stop bouncing me. Too close.
You get the picture of the ceiling. Oh. My feet hurt now.
Good.
Ouch. Balls.
Tennis balls.
No, balls. No, balls.
It's just tennis balls.
Balls.
Balls. It's bulls.
Balls.
What?
Yeah, I went there.
I have a text message.
Woo!
You can't read, it's too fuzzy.
Good. So what's up?
So what is up?
Sky?
Excuse me.
Look at the silly string up at the ceiling. See it, see it, see it.